Hey everybody, the question that I want to address this week is, if I'm a buyer, how do I make a competitive offer? If you're interested in the answer to this question, stay tuned. Here are 3 tips that I'll give you right now when it comes to making a competitive offer so you can stand out from the rest of the buyers. Because as you already know, guys, if you're placing an offer on a property right now, it is ultra competitive. Some properties are getting north of 100 showings and they're getting 30 to 40 offers. So the first thing that you can do is talking about earnest money. Traditionally, you put down 1%. If you can afford to do more, if you can do 2, 3, 4, even 5%, go for it. It'll make your offer more competitive and it will show the buyer or the seller how serious you are. The next thing you can do is money down, right? The more money down you can put, the better off, the stronger your offer is, and the less likely financing will fall apart or not come through. So if you can afford to put 20, 25, 30% down, go for it instead of 5 or 10. You can see how that makes you a lot more attractive as a buyer. And lastly, and this is something that may or may not be new to you, it's called an escalation rider when it comes to the price. Now, if you're not aware of what this price escalation rider is, you should definitely talk about this with your real estate agent or reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to give you more detail and texture around the price escalation rider. Now, these are 3 things that are fairly simple and easy to do to make you stand out from the rest of the competition. I hope this helps you out, and as always, if you have questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you all next week.